Congrats, you found a small content creator that who wants to be in on the For You page that they want to be famous so far, but they cannot because they tried their best to like get onto the For You page, but no one supports them. So comment down below who can support them by like you know if you want to support them, just find their username in the search thingy. But if you find their account, the small content creators, like they want the money so hard, but yeah, they the same with me. They wanted the money so hard, and they like have example they had like 5 or 4 subscribers or 10 subscribers that they cannot buy, so they make a lot of videos to like have a lot of money to their bank account, like get money and well that like buy something that they needed them, like like for back to school supplies. That was a cut, cause you know, but they really want the money so far, but you know back then they realized that they only had a little bit of subscribers that they cannot like go live to get some money because they really want the money so they could buy the go to back to school stuff or maybe for high school stuff. There's something that they wanted, so they really want so bad, but they cannot afford it because they started to be like a YouTuber, so they can buy something that they really wanted, or even though there's like a grandma or a grandpa, it's okay, but you can go still live. But you can go still live if you're grandpa or grandma. Just log into your account and start making videos. It will like make you go famous, even though you're old enough. But just make some videos and it will make you famous. Bye.